my name is Rokzen Flores, but my students call me Miss Rokzen. I'm a BA Communication Arts graduate and a licensed professional teacher, and for this video, we're gonna correct some of the grammatical inconsistencies of a certain song that I heard on the radio. So sit back, make yourself comfortable, we're gonna learn something new today. Hey guys, you know what? I heard a song. Yeah. Sarap nito. Chicharon, pero gawa sa saging. So it's banana chicharon. Amazing! Look! Diyan ka muna. Anyway, so yun nga guys. Like I said earlier, I heard a song! Ito yung song na whenever I share it to my students, I know that I'm really breaking their hearts because it also broke my heart when I found out that this song is grammatically incorrect. If you're gonna apply prescriptivism, that is, and what is prescriptivism, what is descriptivism, click here. Sana alam na ninyo kung anong pinagkaiba ng dalawang yon para mag-gets nyo where I'm coming from, why I'm correcting these song lyrics. But anyway, when this song first came out, one of my friends recommended it to me. Sabi niya, Rox, pakinggan mo tong song na to, ang ganda. So pinakinggan ko. Guys, let's listen to the song together para we're on the same page. So, much as I want to feature Ben and Ben sana on my channel, syempre hindi ko sila afford, diba? So, I invited one of my friends to sing Maybe the Night for us. Guys, pagpasensyahan nyo na kasi low cost Ben and Ben feature to. So, anyway, I do not have Ben and Ben, but ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Bernard Peñaflor!
Wanna lay down by the fire with you. Our souls are glowing, ever warmer too. Your love surrounds me like a lullaby.
Thank you so much, Burn and Burn! Okay, now back to the lesson. Ang tanong, ano ba ang gagawin? May higa as in lie? Or maglalatag as in lay? I think Ben and Ben was trying to say mahihiga, like mahihiga by the fire. Not latag, kasi bakit sila maglalatag by the fire, right? Although, grammatically correct sana yung lyrics kung yun talaga yung gusto nilang sabihin na maglalatag sila by the fire. I want to lay a mat by the fire. If we're trying to say higa, which verb should we have used? It should have been... Now, let's hear the grammatically correct version, and this time, I will feature my students from Davao City Batch 2. Nakakatuwa sila guys, kasi on the last day of our classes together. Anyway, on our last day of classes, meron silang pa-surprise na presentation, ganyan, and they said they're gonna sing a grammatically correct song.
Andito po kami to sing a grammatically correct, brain-trained, appropriate song.
Make me proud! And they sang Maybe the Night. So, let's watch this.
I wanna lie down by the fire with you. Souls are glowing, never warmer too. I
Again, if we're trying to say gusto nating mahiga, it should be I wanna lie down. Okay, is that clear? That's it! Woo! Thank you so much guys for watching. Click here somewhere and learn something else, learn something new. It's still I'm Rokzen saying goodbye until